I don't believe in manifestation. I actually don't believe that you need to act as if you already have achieved something in order to achieve it. I'll give you an example. I've been traditionally very bad with money. I kind of never had it. I struggled a long time to get it. And I remember at the time listening to all these like manifestation coaches who were like, act as if you already have the money and, you know, imagine this abundance. And I was always just horrible at that. So I just wanted to make this video to say that even if you're far from perfect, even if you don't have the money stuff figured out, you can actually make money. You don't need to have that in order. Even if you feel like you're emotionally imperfect or even broken, you can still find love. There's a lot to be said for just doing the work and just putting one foot in front of the other, showing up every day, continuing to learn, continuing to do, and sometimes just things come together anyway. So you don't necessarily need to have everything in order for it to work out.